With the school still closed down due to coronavirus pandemic, the parents are trying hard to keep their kids not only on track with the new online method of teaching, but also keeping them creatively engaged at home. After months of enduring restrictions and social distancing and with no end in sight, I'm sure parents have run out of innovative ideas to keep their kids occupied. Here on Sophia's Art Supply Review, we've been scouting around for activities and products that would encourage the kids to keep away from the screen and focus on more stimulating and productive projects. One such brand we came across is Toiing. This brand is committed towards designing and creating products that provides engaging and novel play experiences for children while encouraging parents to spend some time with them doing something enjoyable and memorable. Today I would be reviewing a product from the Toiing brand called the Rock Art Kit, which is DIY, creative and reusable. And helping me test the kit is RJ. Hi RJ, welcome to Sophia's Art Supply Review.
Thank you, I'm very happy to be here.
Alright, give me a high five. So how old are you RJ?
I'm 7 years old.
And do you like drawing and painting?
Yes, I love drawing and painting.
And who's your favorite character to draw?
I love drawing dinosaurs.
That's great. Are you excited about opening this kit up today?
Yes, I am.
Alright, let's begin. There are going to be some fun and exciting giveaways, so stick with us till the end of the video for more details. You know what I love about this RJ is the fact that it is a jute packaging. So there is no plastic usage here. And this is a natural fiber and completely reusable. Right, RJ, let's open up and see what's inside. Alright, there is this cylindrical box here. And I suppose these are the rocks. Yes, these are the rocks in a bubble pack. And we have 4 of these. That's a lot of space to paint on. Would you like to open this and see what's inside?
Yeah.
Alright, these are the paints. So there are about 12 of them and I see silver and gold. That should be interesting. And this is an inspiration booklet. So these have a lot of ideas that you can use to paint. Interesting. We also have a brush. Great. Shall we begin painting?
Yeah.
So this is what we are going to attempt today. RJ will be trying out this Batman using the tempera colors that were enclosed in the kit, and I would be attempting this cat using acrylic colors. Let's see how it turns out. Alright, we are done doing this. So how was your experience, RJ?
I had so much fun doing this.
That's fantastic. And you know what the best part is that these are reusable. You can actually wash off these tempera paints and use them again, and these acrylic can be repainted and of course reused. And in case you want to make the colors permanent, what they've instructed is you can use a normal nail polish, a transparent nail polish or varnish, and cover it up and your paints will remain permanent. Isn't that fantastic? And now we reached the part that all of us have been looking forward to, which is the giveaway. All you need to do is to write a comment below and let us know why you enjoyed this video or what you liked about this product, and 2 lucky winners are going to get a surprise voucher from Toiing.
If you like this video, then press the subscribe button and give a thumbs up.